Well, hey again, everyone. This is Bob from Hot Rock Central, and I'm happy to say as of July 31st, I am now off grid. Yep, called the power company and had them come and turn me off. And I've been going the past 3 months without using any grid power, so I figured, well, after 3 months of 3 months in a row of not using any grid power, I guess that's a pretty good qualification to be going off grid. So I went ahead and did it, and I'll show you a little bit about how I'm going about doing this. Right there in front of you is eight 300 amp hour lithium banks, which is equal to about 60 kilowatts. And then up here I've got, this is brand new, I just got this in, and I'm going to be doing a review on this here very shortly. This is a pass power inverter, 6 kW, and so far I'm very impressed with it. So anyways, what used to be here was my Genetry inverter, and that was a 6 kW too. But I like this one a little bit better because it is so much quieter. The Genetry over there, that thing it sounds like a tornado when it's under a high load. So it's very annoying. So I use that, using that now for my backup system. So anyways, so there's a 6 kW there, and there's a 4 kW helper there that I've got on a separate circuit. Actually, that's just running an extra air conditioner so that I don't have to load this 6 kW down all that much. And then I've got 600 amps in charging power right there. And outside I've got 33 kW in panels. And I've got more panel power than I do chargers to be able to accept all that power. So in a video I did just before this, I showed you all how I'm taking all that extra power off the panels there and jerry-rigging it around so that I'm not overloading my chargers and still getting maximum solar output even in really crappy conditions. So anyways, there you go, folks. The only other thing that I've got left to do is in case of emergencies where we have some really long-term crappy weather, I'm working on a generator and building a square wave bridge that I'm going to be connecting up to a heat sink right there. And that's going to be going to a charger right there, and that'll give me some charging power just in case I run into an emergency and need some extra power. So that'll be in the next project, and that'll be on video here shortly too, as soon as I get all the parts in. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and give me a high five there for going off grid, man, because after 4+ years of working at this, it feels good to be there. All right, see y'all.